Y'all, what's up, honey? Y'all already read by the title. First of all, thank y'all for coming to this video. Thank y'all for even subscribing, watching, liking, commenting, all that stuff like that. Period, point blank. So, anywho, okay, we back in business. So, anywho, y'all, it's about to be a mukbang, and I'm also about to answer y'all questions that y'all sent me on Instagram. So, if y'all sent me some questions, thank you so much, because I was asking for some and nobody was giving them to me, but I had to literally beg for questions. I'm like, wait a minute. So, today, we're finna do a mukbang while I answer y'all questions, honey, baby. So, I done went to little Popeye because I wanted me some Popeye. And then, my shirt like that. And then, yeah. So, I got me some fries, a thigh, and some wings. Y'all, I ain't had Popeyes in so long. And it's my first time eating that. So, yeah. My lips dry too. And yes, I do wear lip gloss while I eat. But y'all, I got some Oreo cheesecake. Y'all know I love Oreos and I love cheesecake. So I got some Oreo cheesecake and I'm gonna try it out. I already tried the strawberry biscuits, but they was good. I do have my business phone, so don't talk about me, okay? Because my questions on here, y'all. Or whatever. So we're gonna get into it. First of all, like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell for notifications, like videos like this, and all that good stuff. Y'all need probably something good and hot and fresh. I bet y'all like, girl, come on with these questions. I don't know. You gotta wait. They food busting right now. Y'all, and then it been so hot outside. If you live in Georgia, you know. It has been real hot. So yeah, I ain't even did my hair. I've been doing my schoolwork. Your girl been literally doing her school stuff, honey. Working. And it's all that. Being an adult, honey. Paying bills and all that, child. So anyway, I had to get my food organized before I start eating. Open my honey pad. So y'all give me a little time real quick before I get to the first answer. I got a good amount of questions too, y'all. So I put some honey on that biscuit. And then, oh yeah, I had power on my TV too. It's probably dead silent in here, but that's what you got background music for. And then they doing like construction by my house. So they probably want y'all here too if y'all do hear something. I'm about here trying to do what we finna do today. I'll put some ketchup on my fries. I got my sweet heat open for my wings and all that good stuff. So you break your wing like that, you know, all that good stuff. But okay, let's get to this first question. I know y'all tired of waiting already. And the video just getting started. Like I said, like, comment, subscribe. Y'all want more videos like this? Let me know if y'all want just anything. I need to do some more pranks though, for real. I ain't did no good prank in a minute. So, the first question is pros and cons to living in Atlanta. That's the first question. Pros and cons to living in Atlanta. So, okay, so this is my opinion. I mean, anybody else who live in Atlanta may have their own opinion, of course. And I feel like that, but to me, the pros of living here, I would say, is that you have a lot of stuff to do. Anything you can think of, you can just wake up, think of something to do. boom, it'll come up in your search bar to do. Like, Atlanta literally have everything. You can wake up and go like, okay, so you can say if you want to wake up and try something different today, be like, oh, I want to go to this. Y'all, it's so much stuff. I'm trying to think. I want to go do this. I want to go. Y'all, I'm trying to think. I want to wake up and go do the helicopter ride. Okay, yeah, y'all can go do a helicopter ride because we do have that here. You want to go to a museum? We got plenty of museums. You want to go take a walk around a park, some water. I mean, yeah, you can do that anywhere else, but I just feel like Atlanta has different stuff, like just the most outlandish stuff that you could think of. Atlanta has it, basically. That would be my pro. Like, I literally can wake up and be like, oh, I want to do this today. And I can look it up on my phone. And it'll come up. You're going to have the location, the closest one to you. All that stuff like that. So, you can't just do that anywhere else, I feel. You want to go wake up, go to the mall. Well, you can do that anywhere, but still. I hope y'all get what I'm saying. But my cons would be the traffic. Cause y'all know I'm from Albany, but Albany ain't never just had no traffic like that. Like when I came up here, the traffic was crazy, and it's like it's getting worse about a year. Like I've been here for a while. Every year it's like the traffic getting worse and worse and worse. Like they always doing construction work on the road. Nobody know where they going. Somebody's car broke down in front of you. Somebody got in an accident. Like, it just, I don't know. The traffic to me is just a con. Also, I don't know how it is anywhere else, or like in Albany or something like that. But how they got their bills? I don't like how they got all their bills separate. Like, why not include all your stuff into one? Like, why I got rent, gas, light, water, all that stuff like that. Like, include that together. I don't like that. But that's a con. I mean, it ain't no major con to me. I would just say traffic. I'll get to the next question. Let me see, y'all. Hold on. Come on, phone. See, that's why I don't do Android, y'all. I don't even do Android. The second question is, would you ever move to a different state, or would you ever move out the country? To a different state. I'll probably say yeah. I would say yeah, because y'all know me, I love traveling and visiting different places and stuff, but to live in a different state, I would say yeah. I mean, why not? Why not go move to a different state and see how it be? Hold on, Granddad. I'm sorry. I'll call you back. But anywho, I say yeah. I'll move out the state. I'll move out the country. If it's betterment for me and better for me, like life-wise, yeah, I'm gonna do it. I don't mind. I can almost still travel back and see my family and all that stuff like that. So, the next question is, what is your favorite place to visit right now? My favorite place to visit right now, well, it's always been a favorite place. It would be in Norcross, Georgia, in Chattahoochee River. Okay, there's one. Okay, so Chattahoochee River in Norcross, Georgia, because of the water. Yeah, I love water. Like, okay, this is my number one. Number two, my favorite place to visit right now is Destin, Florida. Like, me and my family have been a couple times, and it's just one of those places just like, It's family oriented. It's adult oriented. They got good food. The beach is nice. Y'all, all that stuff. So I would say my favorite place to visit right now is Destin, Florida. What is a place you have always wanted to visit? My answer to that question would be place that I've always wanted to visit is are we talking about, to the person who asked this question, are we talking about city wise or like a store or somewhere like that? The place I've always wanted to visit has been this a hard question. Because like I said, I visited a whole bunch of places. I'm gonna just say my dream place. My dream place is Bora Bora. I've always wanted to visit there. I'm trying to think of somewhere else. Y'all, I'm dropping crumbs. See, that's why I got a vacuum anyway. But yeah, I would say Bora Bora for sure. Bora Bora for sure. The next question is, what is your favorite place to shop at? Now, if you know me, you know. I'm gonna just let y'all see it. Put y'all comments in there. Let me see y'all answer first before I give y'all an answer. Let me eat my chicken. Let me see what y'all put. ASMR. If you know me, you know. No. My favorite place to shop at. A lot of people, y'all know that now. If y'all know me, there's one place I talk about all the time. I'm always getting some from them. But my favorite place to shop at is Target. Y'all, for real. Like, I love Target. Like, Target has everything I need all at one time, baby. Here they go with the construction. I don't know if y'all hear, but Target will forever be a one-stop shop for me. Like, you find everything at Target. You feel me? Everything gonna be at Target. They got what you need. It might be on sale, might be on clearance. You can scan it in the app, because I got the app. I don't know my job, I got the app. Scan it in the app, see if they got some coupons for it. All that stuff like that. They might have some dollars off. All of that. So that place, it would be Target, Amazon, and Shein. Oh, I like Burlington too, but I ain't been to Burlington in so long. Last time I been, they ain't really had anything like that. So yeah, I like stores like that. Now this is a good question. Do you like being inside? Oh wait. Oh no, do you like being outside in nature? My answer is yes. That's a big yes. I love nature. Like, just being outside. Not when it's too hot, but you know, just sitting around, a little fire going in the trees, just listening to the birds, the crickets, all of that. Hearing a little waterfall. I just hear it in my ear right now. Hearing the water, sitting by water. I love water. That's a vibe. Like, that's me. I love being outside in nature. Like, for real. That's always been me. But anywho, I'm getting a little touchy feeling to that question. Okay, so the next question is, who is your favorite artist, rapper, or singer? My favorite rapper, I always Key Glock. Leo gang, baby. Always Key Glock. Put it in your head. Key Glock. Mr. Glock. Y'all know how he got his name. Y'all know. But anyway, my favorite rapper is Key Glock. My favorite artist is Notorious CBR. If you don't know who that is, go look him up on YouTube, Instagram. All that stuff like that. He's my favorite. Yo, okay. So my favorite artist is Notorious CBR. If y'all didn't hear me the first time, I'm gonna say it again. Okay, my favorite singer. Yeah, I have a favorite singer. I don't think I have a favorite singer. I'm trying to think. I mean, I love some singers. Well, I like some singers, but I don't have a favorite one. I don't have a favorite. I'm sorry. Excuse me. I don't have a favorite. I'm so sorry. Maybe I can figure that out one day for y'all. Because I don't have a favorite at the moment. I never just really sit and be like, oh, this is my favorite singer. No. Take me to a Key Glock concert, K-Camp concert. Is K-Camp a singer? He's a singer, rapper, kind of, sort of. Take me to a K-Camp, what's his name? Oh, and take me to a Young Thug concert. And that'll make me happy. I love some Key Glock, Young Thug. And all that stuff like that, and K-Camp. Alright, so I'm gonna go to the next question because I got some more, y'all. I'm thinking y'all finna give me some juicy questions. Golly. What is something most people wouldn't know about you? What is something most people wouldn't know about me? I feel like they should have gave me 2 sauces. Yeah, I don't know how to answer this question. What is something most people wouldn't know about me? But I feel like I talk about this all the time. I'm very adventurous. That's something I would say. I love doing crazy stuff. Spur of the moment. Jumping out of a plane. I'll do that. Skydive. I love roller coasters. I do want to walk with lions. Something most people want to know about me. That's a good question because I don't know how to answer this, to be honest. I feel like I let everybody know who I am, what I stand for. Like, I feel like, I don't know. Like, damn, hold on. But I feel like, I don't know what to tell you about that. To that question. I feel like I answered the best way I could. Something most people wouldn't know. Now, hold on. I don't like when chicken be like that. I break apart all them pieces and stuff like that. I don't do that. But anyway, I feel like most people don't know that this is my first relationship. My first time having a boyfriend in my life. Like, well, I've talked to dudes and all that stuff like that, but We just never, like, I always wanted a relationship with people. They didn't want the same. And I ain't like that. Have y'all ever just been like the type to always want something but you never get it? And then you look at yourself like am I not the right person or something like that? Like, is that, am I meant to be put on this earth just to be played with? Like, that's how I used to think, y'all. For real. Like, I was always want a relationship, but the people I was talking to didn't want it. Like, I didn't understand that. I look at you, y'all always look at me like y'all homegirl or something like that. Like, but you come around me, kissing on me and stuff like that. I don't like that. Give me weird energy or something. And then be sitting there like, is something wrong with me or something? Like, I'm trying to make sure into my question, y'all. I feel like I answered all of them. I think it's the last question. Hold on, y'all. I think it's the last question. It's like they just breaking stuff outside. Like, okay, so the last question is, go. See, this always fun. Y'all be trying to be in my business, but this question is, when you gonna have a baby? I hope my leg hurt doing it. But okay, so this question says, when you gonna have a baby? My answer to that, I ain't gonna cap to y'all. I ain't gonna even hold y'all. I ain't gonna cap. I don't know why my stomach making noise like that. But I am getting full. But it's like since I turned 24. Hold on, y'all. Let me break this apart. But no, I've always grew up around kids. Let me put that first. I always grew up around kids. My family is big. If you know me, y'all know that my family is big. And somebody always having a baby. Somebody always having a child. Oh, you got a new cousin on the way. You got this and this and that. Like, I got a niece and nephew. But I don't get to see them like that because they live somewhere else. But growing up, even being younger, I always babysat. Always helped out with the kids, change diapers, feed, clothing, like. And I'm the oldest, so that's what I had to do, basically. So I'm just like, I was so used to it. I'm so used to kids and all that stuff like that. So of course I want my own. And it's like, since I've turned 24, I've been having baby fever, like really, really bad. And it's like, now I'm gonna be 25. That's it, Leo game. And it's gonna be my birthday, August 15th. And I'm gonna be 25. So it's like, dang, I'm ready to have my child. But then then again, it's like, do I feel like paying for all that stuff if I have a child right now? Do I feel like putting everything I'm doing right now in life, because I'm in school and all that stuff, and not saying that all that stuff can't be done right now while having a child, but it's just like, will I have the time to just do all that? Or just like, will I be, I don't know if y'all get what I'm trying to say, but I don't know. If I was pregnant right now, I feel like I'd be a really good mama. I'd be ready. I'd definitely be ready. All my experiences I've had growing up and all the stuff I did growing up with kids, I'll be ready. But would I be ready to do that, pay my bills, and be able to Like, yeah, my child got my boyfriend or whatever. So, my child gonna have a mama and daddy. We both gonna be active in our child life. Why my granddad keep calling me? So, my child gonna have a good support system. My mama, my siblings, my dad, all that junk. Like, my child gonna have a good support system. So, when I'm having a baby girl, hopefully tomorrow. Go. Nah, for real though, y'all. I feel like I'm ready to have one soon, real soon. I just don't know when, but whenever it happens, it's gonna happen. And hopefully in the next 2 years, within the next 2 years, or the next year, because I'm not trying to be in my 30s having no kids. I'm not trying to be in my 30s having no children or just having my first child. That's not what I want for me. Basically, that's not what I want. I want. So I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna have my child whenever that time comes. And God just be like, here go your child. Yeah. Y'all don't ask me why I'm eating chicken like that, but it's a lot of bones or something I don't know. And extra skin. But yeah, I do want me a little mini me. Or a little mini he. Or a little mini version of my boyfriend. So, but I know we're gonna be some good parents. We're gonna be some great parents. Our child ain't gonna want for nothing. Period. We work too hard. Yeah. That's why I'm gonna have a child. Good. Thank you for answering that question, cause a lot of people be asking me that. When you gonna have my god baby? When you gonna have my niece and nephew? When you gonna have my little cousin? Like, dang, give me time to make it happen, dang. Yeah, I be at work all the time too. I'm already be tired. I be extra tired. Trying to work and pregnant. And then trying to cook and clean. What? Gotta take my kid for a walk in the stroller. I gotta go walking soon. Baby, I don't know. But coming soon, so stay tuned. I snap on it, but I know. But this chicken was good though. Good and fresh and crispy. I forgot all about the little cheesecake. But yeah, thank y'all so much for watching. I feel like I should taste the cheesecake while y'all on the camera. So hold on. Yeah, I was hungry. No cap. So I'm talking about me. I ain't eating my food now. Cause I was hungry. And then my first day off of both jobs. Yeah, I work 2 jobs. Then my first day off of both jobs. So I just been chilling and handling business. Like I just came from out handling business. Being an adult. Like, that's how I should. But yeah. Hold on, I'm finna take the cheesecake for y'all. Y'all know I love doing these videos. And I just be being me, like my authentic self. Like, you'll never see me on her capping about nothing, playing around, making up stuff. That would never be me. Woo! Excuse me. I look log on. All that type of stuff. Then my granddad keep calling me. I gotta call him back. Then one thing, now I'm come through for my grandparents too. Even my parents, like one thing nobody can ever say about me that I don't come through for them friends, family, foes, woes, all that, whatever you call them junks. Excuse me. Nobody can't ever say that I don't come through for y'all. And I dare end one of y'all. I dare end one of y'all to say, oh, she don't come through for me. Why they crack like that, man? What y'all do to my cheesecake? Y'all see that? Y'all supposed to be eating it. Oh, it smells good, y'all. I'm gonna do the smell test first. I mean, look alright. And the Oreos soft, they're not hard. Let me see. Let me show y'all a little something. I want the bottom part. So the bottom part is Oreo too, y'all. I don't know if y'all can see that. Let me see. Hold on. Okay, bye-bye, y'all might be on to something. But anywho, thank y'all so much for watching this video. I hope y'all watched it all the way through. It's really a blessing to have y'all like come and watch my YouTube, interact with me on Instagram, all that stuff. And if you ain't if you ain't a follow on my Instagram, please go do that now. Yeah, so please go follow me. Also, my hair, y'all know I do hair. Well, I do hair, but I also sell hair too. I sell raw Indian bundles. So, and hopefully I start some wigs soon, but I want to get the bundles up and running first. But yeah, go shop because it's sale. Go shop to sell. Get y'all some back to school hair. I was thinking about doing a back to school sale, so I mean, we can see about that too. But yeah, this has been cool. Thank y'all so much for the questions. Thank y'all for giving me the opportunity to answer them. I don't like how this shirt. But anywho, thank y'all so much again, like I said from the get-go. Like, comment, subscribe. Period. Peace, Corner Gang.